Recently, a heartbreaking tragedy shook Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Several innocent children lost their lives after taking something every parent thought was safe. As a doctor, it's deeply painful to see families losing their children over something that could have been avoided. Several children developed acute kidney failure after consuming a cough syrup called Codrift. Experts found a poisonous chemical called Diethylene Glycol or DEG inside some cough syrup bottles. Now, the big question, how did such poison end up in a medicine bottle? We must remember an important truth. Not every cough needs a cough syrup. Most coughs are viral and recover naturally